I have watched thousands of women dress beautifully, and I have noticed something that no one in fashion ever talks about. The women who stop a room, the ones people cannot stop watching, are almost never wearing the colors you would expect. Not what the magazines push, not what every shop window is showing this season. Something else entirely. Something that took me years to put into words. Today, I am going to show you exactly what it is. Every spring, millions of women open their wardrobes and reach for the same colors. Pastel pink, bright coral, the floral print in every high street window. And every spring, most of them disappear into the season rather than commanding it. Here's what I know after years of image consulting. Spring is not the season for obvious color. Spring is the season where your color choices either elevate you into something quietly extraordinary or fold you into the noise. But here's what most women are missing. It is not the single color that creates that impression. It is a pairing. Two shades in conversation with each other, two colors that together create something the eye cannot resist, something that no single shade could achieve alone. Most women don't realize this. They think about color in isolation. Do I like this blue? Is this green right for spring? But the elegant woman thinks in combinations. She asks, what does this shade need beside it to become something extraordinary? Today, I am sharing 5 of those combinations with you. 5 pairings that are unexpected, deeply elegant, and immediately, without effort, expensive. Welcome back to Return to Elegance. I'm Elisa, your luxury image consultant. And here, I don't just show you what to wear. I teach you how to see elegance differently, so that even the simplest outfit feels refined, intentional, and quietly powerful. If that is the kind of woman you are becoming, you are exactly where you need to be. Take a moment to subscribe and stay with me. And if you've been feeling like you want more than just outfits, you want your life, your presence, your identity to feel aligned with this level of elegance, that is exactly the work I guide you through inside my Return to Elegance Masterclass. The link is in the description for you. Let's begin with the first combination. This one is very soft, but very intentional. Combination 1, powder blue plus soft chocolate plus ivory. This first combination is one of those that doesn't ask for attention, but it stays with you. Powder blue has a softness to it. It almost feels like air, like something very light, very calm. But on its own, it can feel unfinished. And this is where the difference happens. When you bring in a soft chocolate tone, something changes immediately. The blue is no longer delicate. It becomes grounded. And then, ivory? Ivory doesn't compete. It lifts. It brings light without creating harsh contrast. So now you have softness, depth, and light all in one look. And this is what makes it feel expensive. Not the pieces, but the balance. How to wear a powder blue blouse, ivory trousers, and a chocolate leather bag, or even a sandal. It feels effortless, but very considered. Combination 2, butter yellow plus warm white plus cognac. This next one feels like sunlight, but not the bright kind, the soft late afternoon kind. Butter yellow is one of the most beautiful colors for this season, but it can very easily become too playful. And this is where elegance refines it. Instead of pairing it with a sharp white, you bring in a warm white, something softer, slightly creamy, and immediately, the entire look relaxes. And then Cognac, cognac leather, adds warmth, structure, and a quiet sense of permanence. This combination stays within the same warm family, so nothing feels disconnected. There are no sharp interruptions, just a smooth flow from one tone to the next. And that smoothness is what reads as elegance. How to wear a butter yellow dress, a warm white layer, and cognac accessories. A belt, a bag, a sandal. It feels like summer, but elevated. And as you begin to notice these combinations, you start to understand something very important. Elegance is not about adding more. It's about refining what is already there. And the next two combinations are even more subtle, but incredibly powerful. Combination 3, sage green plus dusty rose plus nude. This next combination is very feminine, but not in the way most people think, because when we hear pink, we often think of something too soft, too sweet, and sometimes even a little overwhelming. But when you take that same idea and you soften the tone, something completely different happens. Dusty rose is not trying to stand out. It sits quietly, very close to your natural tones. And then you bring in sage green. Sage is one of those colors that immediately calms the eye. It feels natural, almost like it belongs. And when these two meet, they balance each other. The softness of the rose and the grounded nature of the green create something that feels very composed. And then nude tones. Nude doesn't interrupt. It blends. It allows everything else to breathe. Why it works. You are combining muted tones that don't compete, but gently support each other. And muted colors almost always feel more refined than bright ones. How to wear: sage trousers, a dusty rose blouse, nude shoes, or a soft nude bag. It feels feminine, but very intentional. Combination 4, cream plus pale gray plus soft gold. This combination is almost invisible. And that is exactly why it feels so elegant. Nothing is trying to stand out. Nothing is asking for attention, and yet everything feels complete. Cream brings warmth, but very quietly, pale gray adds structure, but without heaviness. And then soft gold, not bright, not shiny, but warm, almost like a reflection of light. There is very little contrast here, and that creates a continuous line. The eye doesn't stop, it moves gently, and that smooth movement is what creates that feeling of ease. And ease very often reads as luxury. How to wear: a cream blouse, light gray trousers, and soft gold jewelry. This is the kind of look that doesn't need explanation. It is simply felt. And when you begin to see color this way, you realize something very simple. Elegance is not about standing out. It's about being coherent. And the final combination is one you already know, but perhaps not in this way. Combination 5, white plus light, denim plus deep espresso. This last combination is one you already know, but perhaps not in this way. White and denim are something we all wear without thinking too much about it. And that is exactly why this combination is often overlooked. But elegance is not about changing everything. It's about refining what is already there. When the white is clean, not worn out, not dull, when the denim is structured, not too tight, not too loose, and then you bring in a deep espresso tone, something rich, something grounding, everything changes. You now have freshness, ease, and depth, all in one look. And that contrast, when it's controlled, creates balance. How to wear a crisp white shirt, light denim, and an espresso belt, or a bag, or even a light blazer. It's simple, but very precise. And that precision is what makes it feel elegant. What makes an outfit feel expensive is rarely what people think. It's not about having more. It's not about choosing louder. It's about understanding how everything works together. And once you begin to see color this way, your wardrobe becomes quieter, but far more powerful. You stop guessing, you stop overthinking, and you begin choosing with intention. And that is what people feel before you even say a word. And if you're ready to take this deeper, to not only understand elegance, but to embody it in your appearance, in your behavior, in your presence, my Return to Elegance Masterclass is open. That is where I guide you step by step into becoming this woman fully. The link is waiting for you in the description. Whenever you feel ready, and before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these combinations felt the most like you? I read every single one. And I love hearing from you. I'll see you in the next video, where we continue building your elegant life together.